In this video, you're going to learn how to use the velocity, the constant velocity or average velocity equation. It's v equals change in x over change in t, sometimes just written as v equals x over t. Okay, v stands for velocity, x stands for displacement, t stands for time. This is the vector version. If you're calculating speed, you're going to use distance for instead of displacement. So you can switch these out for distance if you're trying to calculate speed. And I'm going to use this equation when I know I'm going the same rate the whole time, or I'm just concerned with the average velocity because I know the overall displacement and the overall time it took. Here's an example. You drive 21 meters per second. There's your v. You don't speed up, you don't slow down, you're just going 21. So it's constant velocity here. 30 seconds, that's my time. And how far did I go? I'm solving for x. So v equals x over t. If I want to plug in the numbers first, which a lot of my students do, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll show you how to rearrange it first after this, at the end of this video. 21 equals x, which we're trying to solve for, over 30. So at this point in time, x is on top. It doesn't matter if it's on the left or right. On the right, it's just fine as long as it's in the numerator. I get rid of 30. I'm left with x over 1, which is x. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 30. Let me just rewrite this. 21 equals x over 30. Multiply both sides by 30. 30 cancels out. And so therefore, x equals 21 times 30. And that answer would be 21 times 30 equals 630. And don't forget, displacement is meters. There's my answer. Okay, so if I was going to rearrange this, what I didn't do in the last problem, which I do here, and it's a good idea to rearrange first. I look at x. X is in the top. So if I get rid of t, I'm left with x over 1, which is the same thing as x. Multiply both sides by t. T cancels out, and I can rewrite that as x equals v times t. If I want to rearrange this for t, if I get rid of the x, I'm actually left with 1 over t. So I can't get rid of the x and leave t there. I actually have to get rid of t first, and by getting rid of t from that side, I multiply both sides by it, and now it's in the numerator. Now it's on top. This is like tv over 1. They're both t or v with nothing underneath is the same as saying that over 1. And now, so I have tv equals x. Now I don't want this v anymore. Divide out the v, and you get t equals x over v. So hopefully this helped.